Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take background blurred image in Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. First of all, open camera in your phone and here you got to go to portrait. If it is in photo option, you got to move to the portrait, then you can click image. Okay, so here I am going to take this picture. Okay, so now just to tap on the subject and if it shows ready here, you can capture the image. Okay, see, yes, it's done, and open the picture that you took. This is the picture and subject is clear and background is blurred. Okay, once again I am taking another one. Okay, see it, subject is clear and the background is blurred. So in this way you can easily take background blurred image. If you would like to crop the image, use the edit icon and you can crop. Okay, so after that you can do any edit on the photo. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.